Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sarah Style 80 guys. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel guys. I want to do my practice makeup. I always practice, so I can't say I'm a professional, just practice. My mirror is right here, exactly where I'm looking. My mirror is there. My mirror is there. Let me paint. Okay, guys, I'm here to practice my makeup. Also, talk a little bit. Should I call it gossip or that? No, advice. Advice to the wide world. Advice, a good advice to my ladies. Ladies, can I say, oh, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Oh. We are not single. Many of them are married, but what the kind of things they are doing, it don't look like a married women, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, can I use this for example first? See look at this, our lady. Will everybody know her? Wow. Eh? You see how she look like? Sexy. A good dancer. Everybody know her now. This is Kate Anson. You see how she look? What she's doing? Before, she don't even have this buttocks. She don't have nothing. Yeah? There was flat. But now, what she's doing, she's trying to build it. Look. Well, if I see this girl, this lady, can I say jealous? No, I love her. I like her. See the way she's building her. She's go to sport gym and build her buttocks. You see that? You see this? The thing is coming out. See how I love this woman. I really love her, and she look younger and beautiful. Eh? This is what our lady supposed to be doing, not to be using one plastic surgery or another. Everywhere plastic. It's not good, my ladies. Eh? It's not good. See how she's doing it. And she encouraged a lot of people. I see many people, many ladies working with her. She take many ladies to training, to work, to burn out their fat, to keep on their body, not to make all those nyama in their body. I don't call it nyama, but I know it's what you people like, but it's not too good. To say the truth, my people. It's not too good to say the truth. It's not too good. What of later? This is money. Oh. In the evening, what will you tell your children? When that time, all those things will be pulling out. Oh. Did you see one video in Instagram? This video, this girl, she's crying, talking about how she make this nyash of a thing, putting extra nyash or pumping out the thing or bringing it from belly to hips or that to the popo. The girl is crying now, and the girl is having problem with all those things. Me, I want to, in case some of us haven't seen this video, that's why I want to say, let me advise my people. I don't want all of us to make mistake now. Many of us are making a mistake. It's no good, guys. We have to compare ourselves with good thing, not bad thing. Me, I'm begging my ladies. You people don't misunderstand me, oh. Don't misunderstand me, my people. Please, I'm talking about good thing. Let's learn good thing, not bad thing. All those things, it's all those Oyibo started before, but they are not doing it the way we Africans, we black, the way we are doing it. They are not doing it like that, oh. They always have small. Wow, now I'm looking. I will show you guys one video. Oh, my people, For example, now look at these three ladies. You look the way they look beautiful because they look natural. Nothing like natural in this life. Look natural, being yourself. Nothing like that. The way they look. They have children. I think, what did they call it? This, my sister here, Ifeoma Ijonabo. She have 2 kids. You see her shape. You look Chioma Chukwuka. I don't know. I think she have 2 children under 3. I think it's 2. I don't really know. See Omono Oboy, our big sister there. She have 3 grown-up boys. She look younger, look sexy. Eh? If to say she put all those things, all those things they are putting nowadays now, I think she can't look younger like this. She will get old. She will get old because all those things will be falling out. Eh? Let's keep our shape. Let's appreciate what God gave to us. Eh? You people stop adding artificial. Artificial thing is bad. When black people take something, they will take it to the highest. Eh? Let's stop all those things, my brothers, my sister. Let me leave my brothers out of it. Is this one I'm talking about the ladies? Let learn good things, not bad things. You see this lady now? She's building her hips. Why can't you guys go to gym like this and build your hip and build your pole like this? Than all those money people are spending, all those money people are spending in all those things. Have you people not get tired? Spending money on necessary things. People are out there need this money. You see how she's doing it. People have to start from somewhere than to be using all those plastic and. You see, everybody know this girl. A mother of 3. A mother of 3. You see how she look like. She even look like 16 years. All those of you that are putting all those things in a popo or that I don't know what I will call it. As you see, later, you people will not be like this. So you people will get more older. Because I see one, I'm looking for this picture now. I will show you guys. Just wait. I will show you guys. Just look at her now. You see, a mother of 3. She look like 16 years old girl. If to say she put all those nyama in her body, she can't be looking like this. She will look old. Okay, guys. That is it, what I'm saying, guys. People should learn from me what I'm saying. I know people will insult me. For me, I don't care, but I'm saying the truth. Majority of people, almost their body is plastic surgery. Should I say somebody? I think this girl, Tonto Dike, her body, from breast, from armpit, from pole, everywhere, is just, everything is plastic surgery. That thing is not good, though. I don't know which example she's giving to her son. And she looked beautiful before. I don't know why all those surgery, plastic surgery, even now, and the buttons. She have now a plastic surgery there. All those things, it don't count. Does it count? No. Does not count. Later, you people will regret all those things people are doing. I know this video I'm just doing. I'm saying the truth. People will insult me, but if you insult me, I say the truth. Nothing like natural. Nothing. You put all those Nigerian celebrities. Now too much now. More they take them easy now. But when you do all those things, they not take them the way you people take them. More take them easy. More they teach junior people that watching you people in the television. More teach them the good things, the good way to follow. Not all those things. Look here. I think when last year or this year, I don't know. Niedo, that one go to party, what she put, all those things he put in her hands. Some of them you can even see it. You can even see it. Oh guys, it's all those kind of things. Now this kind of thing, now their husband not let them they do. Now cause majority of them cannot stay husband house because they don't get this chance. Okay, look at Tonto Dike now. The time when she did her husband house, she can't do all those things. Now she have her freedom. She's just doing surgery, all those hip, all those things. It doesn't matter. That thing give husband. It doesn't matter, my sister. More they behave well, jare Nigeria celebrity. Now call yourself celebrity. Now they give example to the junior one. Now they give a good example to the whole world. More they give example. Me they see the way people they learn from you now. Because those baba thing now una hand now is there. Una hand now is there. Single mother now una hand now is full pass. All of them one picking everywhere. It's no good now. More they give example. I beg you now. I beg you. If you not see the video, Mona insult me, I don't care now. No. Now how are they talk? Now how are they talk? Oh, now. Mona create a better life for you. You know what way they watch you now. May I continue my makeup? May I continue my makeup? Oh, that one on a problem. Oh. On a problem because say me I still talk some more if I go take the advice. So because all those now this thing, yeah, it's no good though. You poor just destroy yourself. Some go do breast, do nyash, bottom, one go back. Carry nyash, carry back, carry front, carry everywhere. If some go come shorty, come carry the thing, be like a chimpanzee. You cannot even see the difference. What you go come with everything, you can't dey shapeless. You can't short, can't dey shapeless. Now that one be the shape. No, they see Mercy Johnson. Mercy Johnson Okoji. No, they see her. She have fine shape. Take time to build your shape yourself. All those operation things no good, they go affect you later. That is what I'm trying to say. Not that I dey condemn you. I no dey condemn anybody, my sisters. I no dey condemn anybody. Make the thing no come be another thing for una later. Come be sickness. All those things we use our hand to call. The thing they call sickness later. If they call sickness later. I beg una, mona take am easy. Mona dey take am easy. Una children, they watch you now also. They watch you now. Everything when they do. No, they give them a good example. It's not good. I been because all those money where politicians they give you now. None they do all those nyama nyama. It's not good though. Una they collect all those money from politicians now. All those our poor parents, our poor brothers and sisters. Where you know the other one they suffer. They kill, they sacrifice, they do all the politicians something. More they think of them when they do anything. More they think of the innocent ones. Election everywhere, year and year. They keep people year and year. And they keep people picking way not reach 12 years go vote. Now that Nigeria with the see. All party way they happen for that country, not too much. No more try to change it. Abuna one let they call I never do well country. It's no good, I beg. I beg you now. Abuna not allow that they call una never do well country. They never do well things, they never do well. Nigeria get money. All those politicians won't they support anyhow. So their children, they Europe, they everywhere, America, Canada, they go school, they enjoy their life. Una they pay with una blood. Una they suffer. Una parents, una don't take the bribe now. Una self don't take her. Una know what una family, immediate family they go through. Una know. Una know they support them. Una know what una family, una other family they go through. Una they okay. Una they drive big car. Una they wear any cloth. Una they get both fake and the original. Una they wear them. They post for Instagram. They pose. They dege. They wear high shoe. Both know how to wear. No know how to wear. Una they do. Una they do one. Others they suffer. It's not good to make una think about it. Me, I don't talk my own. Me, I don't talk my own. More not think about it. More not they pity for what una they do. Before now they do anything, I will first think around. If now do all those things now, wait till other people go suffer. Now go see they think other one. Not be to just they do anything what I want to do. It's not good like that, my people. It's not good like that. More not take am easy. Mona take am easy. Mona take am easy. They do. Number two, Mona also try to stay on her husband. Mona not talk to single mother everywhere. Even America celebrity, many of them they are in their husband house. Nigeria celebrity, all of them single mother. They wear trousers, hold picking for hand. They walk out for street now by like that. I been like that. They think they do the celebrity. I don't see Beyonce. Here Jay-Z. Then this is how many years they did there. So to now say they buy pikin, but upon us say they buy pikin, they see they with that pikin come see born Jonah. Una way build born una like that una blood. But una they separate. If one papa dey here, mama dey here, e no good like that. Una they take am easy. I don't talk finish, so I talk and reach una bye. Okay, my people. If una take my advice, so make una subscribe to my channel. Me I dey give una more advice. Me I dey give una the good one. When they give you the bad one, I'm gonna remove one. The good one, I'm gonna take on. I'm gonna subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna press the notification bell. And later when I upload a new video, now go they receive one. They listen to my advice. When they listen to home of entertainment. Mona not listen to the English, oh. Mona listen to the advice, oh. Now that one I matter. Now that one I be the thing, oh. Una hear me? Mona subscribe, mona they give one a thumbs up. The thumbs, mona they press and like, mona they comment. Okay, now they wait for una comment. Okay, now bye bye. Mona share this video for me. May it go viral. Mona share and share and share and may it go viral. Oh yeah, mona they share and. Okay, my people, let me finish my makeup. Okay, anyhow, even though I not still continue the makeup today. Not be. I know they go anywhere. Not be big matter. And even that pack, me I begin even the pack for una present. That one not mean anything. Other than makeup, I don't makeup. My face don't be as it go be. It don't be. I prefer my way natural. I don't need want all those nyama put here. I don't need that. I like natural thing. Natural thing, everything natural. That is what I want to. That's the same prayer they pray for. I'm they be natural. Not be every time. Concealer, foundation, everything. Bobo, they pack am. Mona try to be like a thousand. What it be ne? Go see that money oboli. Go see as it be. It looks sexy. I'm gonna take example for all those old actors now. All those new one now, too much. Una bye now, okay now. Make I waka pass. Una bye oh. I still love everybody. I still love you now. Oh. Okay now. I'm gonna take am easy. Mona not to quarrel with me. Mona not to insult me. Oh. Okay, una bye. I love you now. Bye. Subscribe. Bye.